So for the build up, I like to make them airy and but not too much. So it's kind of a balance, a hard balance to find, but once you find your formula, it generally works for most of your tracks if you are within the same genre. So here's what I do. I generally work with Transit, Endless Mile, and the EQ8 or any combination of those. So in this case, I have the Transit doing this stuff. I actually redesign the preset every time for Transit because I'm dumb. I don't save my preset. I should just go back into my old production, into all my productions and save the presets so I can recall them easily. But it's also true that this way I'm building a bank of presets, so by the time you're watching this video, I will have my own bank, at least I guess so. So I just work with phaser, delay, reverb, filter 12, filter 24, and I have the transition control all the way up in this case. And I'm automating the mix. So I just don't want the effect to move, I just want the effect to come in and come out more. So then I have the Endless Smile with this Mac in the Face preset. I generally use the standard one, the default one, but I mean, you can just explore all the presets. Some of them are really nice and add great variety to like this simple plugin, which does a really simple thing, but it really makes tracks alive. So for the mixing part, for the automation, okay, I have the dry wet at 65% for the Transit. I have the Endless Smile at 0.33. It's not much, but it's enough because otherwise it washes up the whole mix. The individual sounds aren't much intelligible anymore. So you just want a bit of hype, but not too much. And then we have the EQ8. So for the EQ8, I'm doing this thing. So it's basically a low shelf cut of 6 dB, and I automate the scale parameter. And in this case, I could have like automated the gain alone, but the huge pro of using the scale is that anytime I want to kind of automate by how much the EQ8 is cutting or boosting, whatever, my sound, I don't have to touch the automation. I just move the gain knob. So let's say I decide that I want the automation to go to minus 12 dB. I just don't have to touch that. I just move this gain knob and I'm good with it. If I want to move, if I want to add something like an high shelf, I just add it and call it a day, okay? So everything is moving as planned with a single or like 2 clicks, and I don't have to recall or keep in check too many automation lines. So this is like a really great tip by a time-saving standpoint.